Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for pit bulls that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness High Protein Rocky Mountain Recipe Dry Food. This high protein recipe features deboned beef as the first ingredient to fuel your energetic, growing pitty puppy and help build lean muscle mass. It also contains easy-to-digest grains, including oatmeal, barley, and brown rice, that pit bull puppies need for their high energy levels. If your pup has shown signs of food sensitivity, this recipe could be a great alternative. It's free of any chicken products, corn, soy, wheat, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. It features Blue Buffalo's LifeSource bits, which contain vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants optimized for growing puppies. DHA and omega-3 and 6 fatty acids help support cognitive development, immune health, and skin and coat health. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wellness Core Puppy Dry Dog Food. Wellness Core is an excellent line of dog food that contains carefully crafted ingredients for whole body health. This high-protein puppy formula packs a powerful punch of 36% protein, 17% fat, 457 kilocalories/cup, nutrient-dense superfoods, and other natural ingredients to support lean body mass and muscle tone. It's fortified with omega fatty acids, antioxidants, glucosamine, probiotics, and taurine to support your puppy's developing immune system, heart, brain, joints, gut, skin, and coat. And if you're wary of grain-free puppy food, this puppy food contains low-allergen, wholesome grains such as barley, oatmeal, and quinoa. At number 3, we have the Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe. Taste of the Wild High Prairie is a popular choice for many pitties, including those who have sensitive stomachs and itchy skin. With loads of healthy fat and protein from novel sources like water, buffalo, bison, and venison, this food provides your active pup plenty of fuel while keeping tummy troubles at bay. It also includes an excellent blend of probiotics and prebiotics in chicory root for optimal digestion. Omega fatty acids boost skin and coat health, and real fruits and vegetables provide natural antioxidant support. Grain-free with no corn, wheat, or soy, this recipe features sweet potatoes and peas for easily digestible energy. At number 2, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Natural High Protein Dry Food. If you prefer a grain-inclusive diet, this Blue Buffalo formula is an ideal choice for adult pit bulls. Featuring an optimal blend of high protein, chicken, duck, or salmon options, fat and easy-to-digest complex carbohydrates such as oats, barley, and sweet potatoes, this recipe provides your pitty plenty of energy and lean muscle development. Real fruits and vegetables, plus Blue Buffalo's antioxidant-rich LifeSource bits, support your pup's immune system health. A blend of other vitamins and minerals, glucosamine, probiotics, and omega fatty acids keeps your pitty's whole body as healthy as possible. And finally, at number 1, we have the CRAVE Grain-Free High-Protein Adult Dry Dog Food. CRAVE is a lesser-known pet food company that develops high-quality food based on evolutionary nutrition. This grain-free dog food features 34% protein, 17% fat, and plenty of carbohydrates your pup needs to maintain a lean, healthy body and the energy to run and play. We recommend the whitefish and salmon recipe, particularly if your dog has sensitive skin. The limited ingredients, including protein sources, lentils, peas, and omega fatty acids, are also ideal for skin issues. It also contains no chicken byproduct meal, soy, corn, or wheat, and no artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.